Hello friends, so in this tutorial I'll go through SED command in Unix or Linux. SED stands for Stream Editor and it is used for modifying the files in Unix or Linux, and we have certain options to do so. So let's go through each and every option. Clear this. Okay. So now my requirement is, first I'll make you understand the meaning of each character here. Okay, so my requirement is to search a word using SED command. Okay, so these are the delimiters. In that only you can use the search thing. Anonymous, I'm looking for this word. Press enter. Okay, here if you see, I'm seeing double duplicate line, right? Wherever this word exists, I'm seeing two lines here. So what you can do is, to suppress this, give -n option. Okay, so it will print only those lines wherever this word clear this. Okay, let's see some more options. So if I want to invert the search pattern, you can use exclamatory, press enter. So it will print only those lines in which this word does not exist. Clear this. Okay, let's go through some more commands. So if I want to substitute anonymous with some other word, can give, so this is, first one is the search pattern. This pattern would be searched in this file and it will be substituted with nameless. This -n option will work only with P. Now press enter. Okay, so this word has been replaced, but if you see, I am seeing the anonymous word here. It is not globally replaced, so for that give G option. Okay, now it is replaced with, see, everywhere it has been replaced. Now let's see some more options. So now my requirement is to print this anonymous word 2 times. So one way is to give the same thing, second way is to give just the ampersand. Okay, so same word has been replaced. So if I give 2 times, you will see 2 times anonymous. Now what I'll do is, I'll put this in curly braces and I'll give the name less meaning of this word and press enter. Okay, so anonymous word, this ampersand is anonymous. Whatever you are searching will be replaced with this ampersand, and here hyphen, it's the meaning of this word, and it is in curly braces. That's what I have given. Okay, now my requirement is to change only for the first occurrence. So only first occurrence is changed, not the second one. This has not changed. Now my requirement is to change the second occurrence, not the first one. It will skip the first one. Okay, so first one is not replaced, but the second one I can see it has been replaced. You can use the combination of 2 also. Give G global. Okay, first one is not replaced, but if there is any other word anonymous here, that will definitely get replaced with this one. Okay, let's see some more examples. Now my requirement is to change this word anonymous nameless in first and second line only. Press enter. 1 2. Okay, so the second line has been replaced, but the third one remains the same. Now my requirement is to change first and third line. Let's see, first line has been replaced, first, second, third. Okay, there's no word there, so you can use this comma. After that you can give second and third line. Let's see that. Second, okay, third, it is this one. Okay, now let's see some more options. If I want to replace 2, like in file1.txt, 2 words I want to replace, so for that, in the same command you can use -e option. Then after that you can give this, whatever command you want to execute, you can give. I want to replace another word like members with people. Members, I'm not sure whether M is in caps or small letters. Press enter. So let's check whether this has been replaced or not. Not seeing this word members. Okay, let's use some other word. I'll take this image board word and I'll try to replace this image board word with the images. Press enter. Okay, the problem with this command is I have not used -e after this. Okay, I don't know how I missed this. Okay guys, so need to give this image board, I'm replacing with images. Press enter. Okay, now it has been replaced, right? Let's see some more options. Now my requirement is to use if with this. Can we use if command with this one? Yes, definitely, but obviously there's a limitation. I'm looking for image board. Okay, so if I found this word, then substitute, and this delimiters also you can change. I'm using @ you can change it to pipe as well. Okay, so delimiters, the purpose of replacing slash with this, it will be in more readable format, right? I'm replacing anonymous word with unknown. Let's see. Image board. Okay, so this has been replaced, right? Let's see some more options. So now what I'll do is with SED I'll use append, insert and change. Okay, so if there's a requirement to add a new line, I'll take some other words. Hello world, I'll take hello world. Okay, this I want to insert after every line. This is fine. What happened? Hyphen I have given. Okay, so this is replaced. After every line you can see hello world. Okay, to clear this, now my requirement is only to insert at first line number. So this word is inserted at first. Now my requirement is to append after first line. So this is changed. Okay, now my requirement is to change this great new line with some other line. Let's try to do this. I want to change the first line. That means replacing the first line with hello world. Okay, press enter. So that great new line has been replaced with hello world, right? But guys, if I open the file, there is no actual modification happened, right? So if I want to make the modification in the file with SED, so use -i option. This is what it does, is it will save and close the file. Press enter. Now let's open this file. First line, see the first line, reload. Okay, so this has been replaced. Okay, close this. You can also check the modification time. This is for 38. I'll try to change it again with hello. I'll put L. Now press this. This is 438, right? Let's see. Hello, yes, it has been modified. Let's see the time. modified time 38. Okay, now let's use some other options. So guys, with SED you can use the delete also. So if I want to delete first line, so this is how you can use. So first line has been deleted. Now my requirement is to delete second and fifth line. So second and fifth line has been deleted. If I want to delete from second to last, and it will print only the first line. Okay, so this is how you can do. And if I want to search a pattern and then delete, so this is how you can do. Members, images board, image board I believe the word was, and I want to delete. If I find this word, press enter, so that line has been deleted. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. In that I'll teach you SED with regex. Thanks a lot.